How to use Cloudflare SSL certificate. So just go ahead to your preferred browser and search up Cloudflare, of course. There you're gonna have to log into your Cloudflare account. So of course, once you're already there, you're gonna have to go to your domain. So choose whichever domain you want, and then you're gonna have to navigate yourself here on the left tab and scroll down until you find SSL/TLS. Here you're gonna have to go ahead and press on origin server, which is this one. Then just go ahead and press on create certificate. Cloudflare will automatically issue a free universal SSL certificate for your domain. Then you're gonna have to choose an SSL mode over here. Then you're gonna have to scroll down and put in the details you want. So whichever you prefer. So if you want a private key type of RSA, you can do that, or ECC. You can also toggle this, which is to use your private key and CSR if you'd like. And you can also list your host names. And finally, choose how long before your certificate expires. So pretty much depends on the available options and again your preferences. Then just go ahead and press on create. So for best security, you can install a Cloudflare origin certificate on your hosting server, which is still found here. And the certificate is trusted only by Cloudflare and secures the connection between Cloudflare and your server. So after the installation, you enable always use HTTPS and optionally automatic HTTPS, which just rewrites for secure connections across your site. And once set up, visitors will see this padlock or your HTTPS padlock, and your traffic will pretty much be encrypted end to end. And finally, your site benefits from the Cloudflare's website security and also the performance features. But anyways, that's pretty much how you can use your Cloudflare SSL certificate. Just go ahead and make one first, of course. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.